Hello, this is a short guide which will show you how to record a blog post for the blogs that we use on the SHA MOOCs. So in this example I'm going to show you how to do it as a student on the Sustainable Healthy Diets MOOC. So first of all, you log into the course sites area and you make sure you go to the Sustainable Diets MOOC first, and you'll see the welcome page. You then need to make sure that under My Groups you can see that you have actually been assigned a group. If you've not, just get in touch with the MOOC tutors. So drop this down and you will see two options. If you click on Group Blog, it will take you to the Group Blog sort of home page, and then you need to actually just click on the Create Blog Entry to start a new blog. Okay. Give it a title. So the MOOC tutors each week will suggest a title to use here, but just for the purposes of this example I'm going to type in week 1, week 2 blog post, like that. Okay, and the most simple way to do this is to give it a title and then type your blog post into the text box below. So text is typed into this box. You obviously would type your own post here instead of what I'm typing. So you can type there. They are limiting it to a maximum of 1,000 words. So anything up to 1,000 words, you can type less than 1,000, obviously, if you like. So that's essentially how you type a blog post, and you click Post Entry. At this point, you will then see that your post has been uploaded to the group blog, and you'll be able to look at other group members over here under where it says all group members, and you will be able to view other people within your group's blog posts. You will also be able to comment on blog posts by clicking comments, so you can say this is an interesting point, etc. So you can actually type responses to other students' blog posts, and then you click add at the bottom. So then you'll be able to go in, you'll be able to view other students' posts, and you'll be able to comment and view other comments as well. There we go. The other thing I want to show you is I'm going to create a new blog entry, but this time I'm going to create a video post, which is something we are encouraging students to do. So again, I'm going to just type week 2. I'm going to put blog post video. In order to do the video, you actually do need a USB webcam attached to your computer, or a built-in webcam. And then you need to drop this down if you can't see the webcam icon. And it's this one here. It's like a little webcam with a red dot in the middle. If you click that to record from webcam, it will then ask you for permission to record. If you've not already signed in to your YouTube account, and you will need a YouTube account, you will see a screen like this. Now, if you already have a Google account, then you will also have a YouTube account associated with that. So when you go to record, you click sign into YouTube. It will ask you for your login details. So sign in with your Google account here. You need to click grant access at this stage, and then you can record from the webcam. When I click this button, it will then ask whether or not you can allow your webcam to record. So you need to make sure to click on this little button here next to allow, and you'll see in the background that I've popped up. Then you can click close. So before you start recording, by pressing the start recording button, check that you can actually see yourself like I can see here, and also check that there's audio being recorded on the right here. So there's a nice green level going where somewhere over here, there, going up and down. Okay, and when you're ready, you click start recording and then click OK, and you will notice that this timer has started counting up. So it's capturing the video and the audio, and I am now recording my blog post. When you have said what you wanted to say, simply click stop recording, and finally click upload. It will ask you for some details. I generally just click insert at this point without changing those. Okay, and you will notice back in your course sites blog page that it's got a yellow box here, which means it's going to upload a video. And finally, just like in the example before, you click post entry to submit it. Okay, and there you can see it has embedded a video. You will also notice that if you click play, it may not play immediately because it does actually need to upload to the YouTube server and encode. But within a few minutes, this should be available for you to watch, and indeed for your other students to watch, and if they like to comment on. And that is a simple guide to posting to your blogs. Thank you.